Now it's story time. And here comes Danny the Dino. Hello everybody, I'm Danny the Dino and I'm in the mood to dance, but I'm so lonely. Where are my friends? And soon came Doobie the dog. Hi Danny, hi. I love dancing. Let's dance together. Yippee! Let's dance. The dino dances dip, dip. The dino dances dip, dip. Now, let's call some more friends. That'll be more fun. So soon came Dolly the deer. Hi Dolly, hi. How are you? I'm good. And then soon also joined Dorothy the donkey. Yay! Let's all dance together. The dino dances dip, dip. The dino dances dip, dip. The dino goes diddly diddly do. This was so much fun. Oh, but we have to go. Oh, you have to go? Oh, thank you, Dolly the deer and Dorothy the donkey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, they've gone. And let's see who's going to join us now. And soon came Dippy the duck. Hi! Oh, hi Dippy the duck. What have you been doing here? Are you joining us for the party? Of course, of course. But I've got something for you. Oh, what did you get? I've got some donuts. Donuts for me? What are these? Oh, it's a yummy, yummy delicacy. Oh, let me have them. I'm very, very hungry. Of course, they are all yours. Oh, these look delicious. I'm going to have them all. Yum, 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 yum. I'm so hungry. These are delicious. I really enjoyed them. But oh, my tummy is hurting. My tummy is hurting. What do I do now? Somebody help! Oh. What happened, Danny? What happened? Doobie, my tummy really hurts. I had many, many donuts. Oh, let me call the doctor. Please, please help me. So Doobie the dog called the doctor. Hi, I'm a doctor. What happened to you? My tummy hurts. I had many, many donuts. Oh, don't you worry. I'll give you a pill and you'll be fine. Thank you so much. Here, this is your pill. Oh, thank you. Thank you, doctor. This feels really good. My tummy doesn't pain at all now. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. The dino dances dip, dip. The dino dances dip, dip. The dino goes diddly diddly do. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey Jolly, did you like the joker that we made from letter J? D, E, F and G.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a green apron. How are you? You know what? My tummy hurts. It's Xmas time. Yay! And now it's worksheet time. Alphabets are fun with your little one. Alphabets A to Z lesson plans now available with 26 videos and more than 180 downloadable worksheets. Click on the Udemy link mentioned in the description below.